Namaskar. Welcome to your daily current affairs revision for competitive exams. This content is based on verified news sources. I am going to cover 8 important topics in the next 8 minutes. Let us dive right in. How can India build a trusted artificial intelligence ecosystem? The Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India has released a white paper titled Strengthening AI Governance Through Technological Framework, outlining India's approach to building a trusted, accountable, and innovation-aligned artificial intelligence ecosystem. The white paper emphasizes the contours of a technological AI governance framework that aims to mitigate risks while preserving flexibility and innovation. This topic is relevant for GS2, Polity and Governance, and is important for understanding India's approach to AI governance. Key takeaways: India's approach to AI governance. Technological framework for AI. Importance of innovation-aligned AI ecosystem. What are the early signs of vulnerability in state finances in India? State government finances have somewhat deteriorated compared to last year and are exhibiting early signs of vulnerability, cautioned RBI study on state finances. The study noted that factors such as geopolitical uncertainty, persistently high debt levels, and growing contingent liabilities from guarantees and cash transfer schemes pose risks to state finances at the current juncture. This topic is relevant for GS3, Economy, and is important for understanding the challenges faced by state finances in India. Key takeaways: deterioration of state finances. Risks to state finances. Importance of fiscal discipline. How can India advance the circular economy framework for e-waste and lithium-ion battery scrap? NITI Aayog has laid out a roadmap for advancing the circular economy framework for e-waste and lithium-ion battery scrap. The report has been released by NITI Aayog in collaboration with the Energy and Resources Institute, TERI. This topic is relevant for GS3, Economy, and is important for understanding the circular economy framework for e-waste and lithium-ion battery scrap. Key takeaways: importance of circular economy. E-waste management. Lithium-ion battery scrap management. What is the significance of the Digital Climate Atlas launched by the government? A new digital platform, Atlas of Climate Adaptation in Indian Agriculture, ACAS India, has been launched to help farmers plan for climate challenges. Climate Resilient Agriculture, CRA, refers to the adoption of practices in agriculture that enhance the system's ability to withstand climate shocks. This topic is relevant for GS3, Environment and Ecology, and is important for understanding the Digital Climate Atlas and its significance. Key takeaways: importance of Digital Climate Atlas. Climate Resilient Agriculture. Adaptation strategies for farmers. What is the significance of the World Economic Forum's decision to launch 5 new centers for the 4th Industrial Revolution? The World Economic Forum has decided to establish 5 new centers for the 4th Industrial Revolution, including one in India's Andhra Pradesh. The 4th Industrial Revolution Network is a platform for multi-stakeholder collaboration, bringing together public and private sectors to help ensure emerging technologies deliver benefits for society while minimizing risks. This topic is relevant for GS3, Science and Technology, and is important for understanding the 4th Industrial Revolution and its significance. Key takeaways: importance of 4th Industrial Revolution. Emerging technologies. Collaboration between public and private sectors. Who was Veer Surendra Sai and what was his contribution to India's freedom struggle? President Draupadi Murmu has paid tribute to freedom fighter Veer Surendra Sai on his birth anniversary. Veer Surendra Sai demonstrated his indomitable courage, bravery, and valor by sustaining the Great Uprising of 1857 for several days. This topic is relevant for GS1, History and Culture, and is important for understanding India's freedom struggle and its key personalities. Key takeaways: contribution of Veer Surendra Sai. Importance of freedom struggle. Role of key personalities in Indian history. What is the significance of the Delhi Declaration 2026 adopted by the Election Commission of India? The Election Commission of India's three-day conference, International Conference on Democracy and Election Management, ICDEM, 2026, concluded with the adoption of the Delhi Declaration 2026. The Delhi Declaration 2026 resolves to work together on the 5 pillars of purity of electoral rolls, conduct of elections, research and publications, use of technology, and training and capacity building. This topic is relevant for GS2, Polity and Governance, and is important for understanding the significance of the Delhi Declaration 2026. Key takeaways: importance of Delhi Declaration 2026. Role of Election Commission of India. Significance of electoral reforms. What is the significance of delimitation after 2027 in India? Every democracy must periodically redraw its electoral map to reflect population change. In India, this process is known as delimitation. The constitution required delimitation after every census. But this principle has been suspended for nearly half a century. This topic is relevant for GS2, Polity and Governance, and is important for understanding the significance of delimitation in India. Key takeaways: importance of delimitation. Electoral reforms in India. Significance of population change. That's all for today's current affairs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for daily updates. All the best for your preparation.